kasama. So it's like 2 hours away from our staying place. I just forgot the place. So pasensya na. Hindi ko na naalala kung saan kami nagpunta niyan. Basta maganda yung place.
Araw-araw
province siya. No? And actually malapit na lang daw siya sa Seoul. Like 1 hour away from Seoul. But yeah, I forgot the place. Na-enjoy naman namin. And also, kahit physically pagod kami, pero pagkasama namin yung mga kaibigan namin sa Korea, okay lang. Kasi we share faith, we share stories, testimonies. And yes, we were so happy that time.
Wow!
Bigla siyang humiga sa dagat. Feel na feel niya. Hindi naman siya mag-swimming, Dad. Wow! Anak, wala kang ano? Wala kang sunscreen, sun protector.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Marcus.
Be careful with your head, Martis. Be careful with your head. Wow! Oh, nice, Martis. Oh, yung ulo mo, dahan-dahan. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, Martis, go. Okay. Go, Martis. Wow! Nag-homestay kami dito sa kaibigan ko. Busy kaming kakwentuhan hanggang nakita na lang namin yung mga tissue. Pinaghuhugot niya. At tuwang-tuwa siya. Good morning, love.